Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I'll be upgrading my PC with the Lian O11 Vision PC case, alongside with some really nice accessories from Thermalright that will go perfectly with this upgrade. So let's get this case unboxed and take a first look. In the box we have the little accessory pouch and of course the case, and we'll be taking a close look at this in a moment. But first, let's check out the new Mjolnir Vision all-in-one ARGB water cooler that comes in this white color. The name's actually pretty cool, it's the Hammer of Thor, and yeah, let's check this out. Inside the box we're greeted with the instructions, which include instructions for Intel and AMD mounting, as well as a little box with all the mounting hardware and a braided USB-C cable for the screen. Taking a look at the actual screen, it is absolutely massive. It's more than 3.5 inches and the cooler looks absolutely solid. Fans also looking really nice with built-in addressable RGB. Now, what we'll be upgrading it from is my old setup, which has an NZXT X63 cooler, and while this has performed pretty well, it's been recently showing its age and also getting quite hot. Here just a little benchmark of me running Minecraft for a little while. CPU sitting at around 75 degrees, and I hope that this epic cooler will sort things out a bit better. So I think now it is time to shut down this PC and get started with the disassembly. First boot, I was absolutely impressed with how amazing the RGB looks. These Thermalright components work absolutely flawless with my Gigabyte Aorus motherboard. I just plugged it into the addressable RGB header, and thanks to the loop mechanism that they sort of have built in, they all just hooked into one another, so I didn't need to use additional RGB headers. Also, what's pretty cool is that the fans connect directly to the motherboard, so everything is basically controlled via the motherboard and no additional hubs were needed. Now this screen on this water cooler is absolutely epic. The software is really cool. It comes with a ton of pre-installed different backgrounds and configs, and you can show whatever you want on it. And there we'd have it. The case is really cool. I really do love the brand new design with this all-in-all really nice top and side glass panel for this really amazing transparent look. In white it just looks so clean and nice. And let's check out how the temps are performing with this brand new cooler. And overall, without doing any tuning or anything yet, I've managed to get, which is quite solid, 10 degrees less on the CPU, and also the GPU has been actually much colder. This might have something to do with the additional fans, but yeah, this is just my first impressions of it, and some more testing will be definitely required. Now let's peel off all the remaining different peels on the cooler and screens, and also of course the case, since now everything's working. And my final thoughts on building with this case. Overall, I really enjoyed how easy it was. It's so spacious, and I absolutely love how modular this Lian case is. It's so cool how everything really just slots in and out and is just so easy to build in. You have so much space, and even the cable management at the back, which previously honestly was quite a mess, is just so clean now. It feels like cables have enough space to really like go and route themselves, and you can just like squish everything nicely behind this little side panel. And yeah, the front of the build really speaks for itself. These glass panels just look so stunning, and you can just like see directly into your build and really showcase your components. The back of it's also really clean, and everything just, yeah, comes in real nicely with this cooler. I'm so happy with the upgrade. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.